We're on a mission to find the most ridiculous products out there and put them to the test.
Oh!
Will Enchilada Soda and Enchilada Ice Cream measure up?
Oh. You liked it? You want another bite then?
No.
This is Product Purgatory, where we decide if a product should ascend to the towering ivory shelves of Walmart or forever be banished to die on the back pages of Temu. Today's product, Enchilada Soda.
All right. Okay, it's finally unboxed.
Woo! It says Lester's Fixins,
Yeah.
and it's an old white guy.
Old white dude.
Lester's Fixins sounds like I should be eating like cornbread. So that doesn't make me think that
What's
this
wrong
is
with
gonna...
old white dudes eating enchiladas?
There's nothing wrong with it. The description says it's refreshing, authentic taste, crafted with care. Enchilada Soda captures the authentic flavors of Mexico in every sip.
So it's basically a soda that tastes like Mexican food.
Yeah.
So top review, 5-star review here says it's drinkable.
That's
Which is-
the bar.
Well, it's a beverage. I mean, but that was the best review actually. So this was the worst review it got. This is a 1-star review.
Arrived, broken, and cannot be returned.
I just like that she specifically says and cannot be returned. How do you return a drink? Maybe just put the drink in the envelope and then take it back
To UPS drop off.
to UPS drop off. Oh no. Uh-oh.
Oh my gosh.
All right, send it back. So now we got to try to figure out if we can redeem this
Salvage.
product.
I don't know if we can.
Okay.
This is where we try to come up with ways to rescue the product from purgatory. But first, we gotta put this stuff to the test.
If we're really gonna test this out, we gotta compare it to enchiladas from a place that probably has flies in the kitchen.
This place has got a solid 2.4 on Yelp.
You want cheese or chicken or beef?
I know a lot of people have already tried this stuff on TikTok, but no one has taken it seriously, and to my knowledge, no one has really tested it.
Real enchiladas and enchilada soda.
That's the soda. That's true. That's the soda too, isn't it? If your kids are like mine, perhaps the only Mexican food they like is quesadillas. Enchilada soda is probably the perfect gateway drug to helping kids like Mexican food.
Okay.
You think?
Maybe.
No.
You'll love it.
No.
Have that instead? How is it? You love it?
No. I don't want it. ¿Qué fue ese día?
Enchilada ice cream for my wife, who's half Mexican, so it means she'll probably half like this. Leftover beans, cheese, scoop of sour cream, load it with enchilada sauce. What a beaut. And then the main ingredient. You gotta thin it out so it gets creamy when you spin it. Oh yes. Ooh, it smells like enchiladas. A little bit like vomit, but mostly like enchiladas. Then we're gonna freeze it. Tortillas. You're gonna love this.
No, I'm not.
You're half Mexican. You like it? How's it? What if I put salsa on it? Would that be better?
Salsa?
Yeah.
No.
Taste it? It's good.
Oh, I spit it out. That's disgusting. Ew! Don't make the little one do it.
What is that?
Ice cream. I made it in the creamy. You wanna try it?
Mm.
Do you like it? It's good, huh?
Yeah.
You liked it? You want another bite then?
No.
Get some enchilada soda. Get some grenadine syrup.
Grab that coconut cream.
Yeah, grab that.
Now it's a pineapple piña Shirley Enchilada Colada.
No, it's called Shirley Piña Colada Enchilada.
Grab your pineapple, random amount in there.
Oh, it's chunky. I like the chunks in there. The chunks are like the beef from the enchilada. That's actually really good.
It smells like orange with jalapenos.
Okay, we'll taste it.
Yeah, as we're trying, but I don't think I would be buying this off the shelves like.
I think this belongs in Product Paradise.
We've had worse.
We have had worse.
Soda. So this is.
But also, I can probably say
not.
that I've never had better.
It's true. This was the best enchilada soda I've ever had. And it did make a good mocktail mixer. We think Enchilada Soda has been rescued from Product Purgatory.
That was weird.
Yeah. The video or the
This.
That, oh, okay. Thank goodness.
If you have an idea for the next product we should review, leave it in the comment section below or send your idea to the email in the description. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.